Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Dear students, I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah also. Welcome to our online platform of NIEVS Home School. Here I am Muhammad Faruk Hossain, Assistant English Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift, and I am going to conduct an English class for the students of class Junior 1. Dear students, this class is about your Buzzword book Unit 2 reading done. So you don't have any homework regarding this lesson or this lecture, okay? So Unit 2, it's Buzzword books, page number 9, okay? So in task A, you will get look, listen and read. Look at the pictures, listen to your teacher, read the words after your teacher. That means you will have to read it after my reading. So number 1, a tomato, an onion, a carrot, spinach, brinjal, a cabbage, a potato, beans. All these are known to most of you, okay? Dear students, then come at next page. In this page, we will learn about look, listen and read. Dear students, here you will get look, listen and read. Look at the pictures, listen to your teacher, read words after your teacher. Dear students, number 1, look at the picture, it's cauliflower. Then a radish, a pumpkin, a cucumber, garlic, a bitter gourd, pears, then chilies. Then come at next page, page number 11, look and read. Look at the words, read them aloud, okay? Dear students, number 1, garlic, number 2, potato, number 3, chilies, number 4, a cauliflower, number 5, a radish, number 6, an onion, number 7, a pumpkin, number 8, a cabbage, number 9, a brinjal, number 10, a carrot, number 11, a spinach, number 12, a cucumber, number 13, pears, number 14, a tomato, number 15, beans, the last one, number 16 is a bitter gourd, okay? So after reading all these, dear students, now we will turn into page number 12. So in this page, you will get look, listen and read. Look at the pictures, read the sentences after your teacher. The same thing. Number 1, is this a potato? Yes, it is. Number 2, is this a cabbage? This one. Dear students, is this a cabbage? No, it isn't. Dear students, it, after that, I-S-N, then apostrophe, then T. That means it isn't. But if it was written that is not, on that case we can say it is not. But although it is written is, so we will say it isn't, not is not, okay? Then it is a cauliflower. Number 3, is this an onion? Is this an onion? No, it isn't. It is garlic. Number 4, is this a brinjal? Yes, it is. Dear students, This is all about today's class. I hope all of you got understood today's class. This is so easiest class and you have no homework regarding this class. So enjoy the class. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.